Good morning, everybody. I got something really simple and easy today, but it saves 2 seconds, and that's the mission. I'm at the boxing station, and I'm helping Paige with some drop shifts, and I noticed that I'm doing a lot of moving back and forth between the scale, which is where I'm building boxes because it's the biggest surface area back here right now, and I'm doing a lot of reaching over to here, and then over to here, and back. So I'm going to mount a tape gun up here on this wall, and this will enable me to just go like this, and that is not a big deal, but it's 2 seconds, and that's what I care about. So I mounted the tape gun to the wall, silhouetted it with a fast cap marker, and this enables us to save the 2 seconds from going back and forth between the old tape gun station, which we'll still use because it has purpose, but the second tape gun station will save the 2 seconds there. And also, it's going to help us because when you're doing packages, when you set a tape gun down, if you set it on the back side, which is sort of natural, it pushes this roll out, right? And when the roll comes out, it causes the tape to come off the top, and it looks all janky. And we don't want janky, we want sexy. So this improvement saves 2 seconds, and it also has a cool aesthetic element. It helps us out. Whenever the tape comes off janky, I just retape the box, so that's going to save seconds there. So not a big deal, not super complicated, but saving time, and that's what we care about. Cool.